Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a step-by-step AI hack to create elegant, professional-looking black and white portraits. So if you want to turn your photos into stunning monochrome portraits in just seconds, you can just follow my steps in here. So here I'm going to use Gemini AI. You can just use the app or the website like this. And then here's the prompt that you need to use. Okay, black and white fine art portrait of a young woman, her long slightly messy hair framing her delicate face, smooth fair skin, and wearing an oversized white shirt that falls off her shoulder. Was sitting looking at the camera with a calm and thoughtful expression, and steady setting with plain gray background. With soft cinematic lighting, minimalist compositions, ultra-realistic and sharp facial details, natural textures, elegant and sophisticated styles, with professional photography and 8K quality with high contrast monochrome aesthetic. So, now you can just add the photo of you by clicking on the plus button and upload files. Here you can choose the photos that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to use this photo. Tap on open, and once the photo is uploaded, you can hit on this button to submit the prompt, and then just wait for the result. Okay, so now the photo is done, and here is the final result. If you're satisfied with the result, you can just download it and you can make it as your profile picture. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.